Today Derpy's out tracking the car. He's out in Mission at the racetrack and it's pouring rain today. Like it's just another Vancouver day, but he said it's not that bad out in Mission. For me to take my car out on the track, I would have to get new brake pads, change all my fluids, do a bunch of stuff and pay for the track day. With all the stuff that's going on with the Civic right now and all the extra parts I had to order and money I had to spend on it, that's not really in my budget to do so. So pretty much we're just gonna rip out to Mission today and visit him because he's out there racing. And he has been all day. It's the third day in a row I'm filming. So you guys are always asking for this and I'm finally trying to step up to like the daily vlog kind of status. So that's what we're doing today. It's not the nicest day. It's definitely not the best day for a track day, but you gotta make the best of what you got.
Building a nest in your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head.
Hey sir, how are you?
In your head.
A lot sunnier over here at least. Like we got some nice weather. I was like a little confused when we got here because I have no idea what we're doing because I've literally never been here before, but I just gotta go find Derps, see what he's up to. I see like an R8, RX-7, like we got a pretty good turnout. I don't see Derps though. Hey, look at that. As soon as I go to hop out, my man is here. So I got here and I know absolutely nobody but Derpy, and he's on the track right now. So I'm just gonna get a couple flybys and wait till they come back into the pits. Oh, is there water on this or is that on the screen? Okay, you guys are good. I'm gonna get a couple flybys, wait till he comes back in the pits, and then hopefully we'll get some driving footage and stuff. Like I said, I don't really know what today's gonna entail, but it should be fun, looks fun. You always know when Derp's coming because the screamer pipe. He's the only one out here screaming around. I got here a little late in the day, which kind of sucks. Someone actually got in an accident, but I'm not going to film that because it's just kind of rude to him. And then someone else blew their drive shaft, which again, I am not going to film that because it's just like an issue. And it didn't happen while I was here, so it's not too exciting to show you guys. It's just like a broken car. Next time I'll definitely have to come like right away so I catch all the good stuff. I think he's up after the group is going out right now. He's up, so I'm going to ride with him. I got the GoPro set up. We'll just get some cool footage. It's a little awkward because I literally know nobody here and he's like trying to help other people and stay busy, so I'm just kind of like in the corner by myself, but it's okay. We're gonna have some fun. It should be sick to rip around with them. I was also trying to find the best place for the GoPro, so I set you guys up like right here on the inside of the wing. I'll take the camera inside the car. How's your heating issues and stuff going today? Are they all right?
It's all gone, man. I'm excited to be back on the track. No, it's like running 110.
That's not bad.
It's way better than like popping 130 after 4 laps. It's not so bad before. It's like I paid for like a full track day and then I get on the track and it's like, oh, 4 laps in. You're just like, oh.
Yeah, gotta go.
Gotta pit out.
Here you go.
Yeah.
How is your trainer doing right now? Real bad?
I don't know, man. Like it's just fine when we're driving, but like it does this, and it's just kind of like
a nuisance?
Yeah. It makes it look like you don't know what you're doing. I swear I do, and I can't do like it's kind of stuck.
Oh, what the fuck? That is weird. Derpy said there's a straightaway that you guys will notice, and he's not flooring it on there because he's too loud to floor it. So if you guys notice that we're coming up on the straightaway and just like easy a little bit, there's a noise restriction, and he goes past it. And it just started raining again, which is just great. Okay, before I give you guys some track footage, I have an actual question for you. I'm editing this right now, and I've like never done this kind of thing before, and I've never edited it. I don't know what you guys want to see, so I'm not gonna give you guys a bunch of laps. Like we did like we were on the track for a long time. I'm not gonna show you guys all that because that's just gonna get repetitive and boring. So I showed you like one full lap so you get an idea of the track, and then it's like a bunch of highlights, like I don't know, stuff that I thought was cool, like substance music to the ears, stuff like that, and then I just kind of called it. So let me know if you guys enjoy the mix of what I did, if I should have included maybe just laps. Like, do you guys want to see like full laps? I don't think so, but maybe you do. I just don't want to bore you guys because I know when I was watching laps and laps and laps, not as fun as being in the car. It was super, super boring to watch. Let me know what you thought. Back to the video.
Gotta warm up the tires, man. waving that yellow because there's nothing on the track that's wrong.
Yeah, it's just the rain, right? That's so close.
Is it?
That's so hairy.
Oh man, that's good, man. That's how you have fun.
Doesn't sound happy. That really doesn't sound happy now.
Oh, she's a fine girl. I don't know if I should set this one out. Last one? Nah, fuck it, just send it.
That was pretty cool, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like it?
Weather aside, that was pretty fun. I'd be interested to do it with you again on like an actual dry day. And even besides doing it with you again, I'd be interested to get my car out on a dry day. That'd be fun.
The biggest fear most people have is they think they gotta over prep their car. I mean, I say that and I have this thing, but like
Yeah, but you started where I am.
yeah,
Like
you don't need something special, man. You just need your car. You only need brake pads. I drove a stock car with brake pads with those like stock tires, and it was super fun. You weren't going like, yeah, you're not here to set lap records or anything, but like it was fun.
You have fun, yeah.
It was so fun.
Yeah, like this, like that's what a lot of these BRZs and FRSs out here look like. Like you don't need anything crazy. Like there's actually a lot of them are stock. Like stock, not stock. It is a lot. I just didn't want to, oh, look at my hair. You let me talk to people like this? I just didn't want to pay for the brakes this time around. Are you going, you're not going back out again, are you?
No, I'm gonna let my friend drive the car. He's one of the instructors here.
Alright, I might take off. I got a bunch of editing and stuff to do too. So, thanks for letting me come out.
No, man, very good.
It
We'll get you
was
out
a
there
pleasure.
next time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Drive safe.
Thank you.
You want me to put your hood pins down?
I'll close it.
Why is this one? Oh, I got it.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, so I can't use
Nice package came in while we were out. I hope you guys like watching me here because I'm seeming to end a lot of my videos right here lately. But again, today was something that I just wanted to go experience. I wanted to go to a track day and actually go to one. I haven't been to one ever really. So I wanted to go to a track day and really experience it and hang out with Derpy a little bit and get to go like for a nice sit in his car and stuff. It was really fun. It was pretty cool. I don't know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. I mean, personally, I've seen people do it on YouTube and it doesn't seem to capture people in the same way, and I can fully understand why it's not the most. You can't grasp the speed and the feeling the same in a video, and I just feel like for that reason it's just a little bit more boring. But let me know what you guys think, because that's again something I don't do but would totally be up to doing if you guys were interested in it. It was a lot of fun. Thank you to Derpy for letting me ride around with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay committed.